Owusu for high GC News. Mema Obibia Akwaba Hadia latest and hot news Mkwa era mede Bremo anuti so nya subscribe to channel area bomodia say obe subscribe. Dobe ya na say obe click the subscribe button no. Na wabele notification no. We sa new video bia be upload no. When the first person I want sa ebe kan sa video afi we na wa like video give us a thumbs up na afi share ma of so na when you be here na wo hu ensemo ekoso ewo gara be mo hanom afi yebura ye ensemo abeto yepno so Hopeson Adorye da so de ensemo ara tudwa ni nyina se de wate se Wontumi ene na bi otchere se Wontumi na bi na boys wane ka se Hopeson election day no mo ntuni na nsikuma so se meba na wo ye be ma wo de wo sabe kameno dwumadia bi de bediu no otchere se na bi de obebo na akra onko ha ene Hopeson de kokobon se mamomo ama watutu bi ede ama won na wadan sem dodo na ara edi ententemara yenkuti ensema Hopeson Adorye ede tudwa yenti ne nsem no
you seriously ono a oyoba ne onam ho no Sammy ogunanga za oyoba anu onam ho no me se maka kire wo me toda some of them no ayana like omasem ye mmobo da mayedi na mehwe wo so mukokoye meeting wo Kumasi na nabi ne Wontumi mu se me election day mi si Kumasi on ma boys abomi no na nabi ka obetu afri akra me na me ka chewo Kumasi ho de mesi ho o boys no o de ombeba no obi ani ho anensa be ka me sei obi ani ho I am saying this de anensa be ka me sei no so no ho obeso anensa sa I am telling you na boys bia ya attempter na nabi I am telling you akra onko me fa boys bia me ankasa I will look for you every day and beat you. I am saying it on record. Hwe ohufo obi oyehufo me obi a wonem no obi a wo hia me bia ransa me ko nyina me ne ma ne na mo me ne ma ya 3 enenam I say ene Thursday sorry ene Thursday otchere chimi mi dana ye hwe me ne ma ya 3 enenam me ne amafo ya ye machofo bi peso mu di machi ni ade me say I don't need them. All I need say me ma ya mi pe we mami we be hwe madidie mu amami asa. That's all. We are Bema now, so be to Bawumia. Would you sham? Men found. What is it? Hey, Yanko Pache Adye, I will be my moon. Ghana has it. Ene, me tall. Me ye. Yako Piemo, a chair vine. Yakwanyako, Kwacha, via Kacha Bonia, Dina. So on it. Yes. Yanko Pache Adye, Yanko Addo, Yadye. Et you know, baby Namwa, Makuba Vita Bisrobia. Obianso ntimi nyame hu. Me say we are going to expose certain things. Plans are where going now. We are where eguminsem. None of them will work. Mark it on the wall. None of them will work. What your concert? I'm bringing you back to MVP. Whoa, wait to me, the Baba. What they don't worry. Help me. You push MPP in co-position. Now, favor me famiko. What? Never famiko. Now, you go see the intimate now. Emma, Ghana, and Nanisa. And don't worry. Good fellow, make call every day. We are sitting Yankopon the Ashayensa. Yankopon at the Ashayensa. Enti, Yamfahogra. I hire we. Address me as Hopeson Adorye. Would name now de me family. Would de me reading a basa conversation. A diam de bayon. Ubenu. What ye? If you don't want me to block you, take my family out of our conversation. I am doing politics here. How I convince my wife doesn't matter in this conversation. When I'm fast with Yamere and found who pounds to cocoa simple. Obe true bibi say mejere anase me ba anase bibi wazi obo hwade am beyo. Some classes am na ya na munyai. I don't so free. Moko sian free ba. Moko sian free. Good. Leti enche ye kwa kotwaba. Na bande sa me maka. Me say this Fourth Republic. Yankopon the Fourth Republic no eshe John Fonsa so muru. Yeah, it's coming. Sorry. I am on live. I don't go baby. Yeah, near me. Actually, would there be a number from no record? Fine. All right. Thank you. You are here because of the breaking news. The breaking news will come. It will come. It will shock them. Anti ebe kwa koto aba. Na ba na ye kwa koto no. Sani amidi kanka hen. Sa Fourth Republic. Yankopon. Adishe. Oh, hello. Yeah, it's coming. Sorry, wait a minute. Me pamcho bebre.
It's the username is Hopeson, and then the password is Adorye, all in caps.
All in caps. The username and the design.
Yes. All
Okay.
in caps.
Thank you.
So the username is Hopeson.
Okay.
And then the password is
Okay. I hear you. Thank you very much. All right. Good. Good. Eti, Oshe, your first president of the Fourth Republic. Munyano wai. Ono, ninse muhuno weka no munyano na. Matra honum. Eti, your first president, John Jerry Rawlings. The second president, John Agyapong Kufuor. The third president, John Evans Atamers. And then the fourth president, John Dramani Mahama. Yekoyi the fifth president, and Yekoyi William Akufo Addo. Mahu senior or how ne kodana abayeso. Somo or how ne kodana pa ni akwakofa abayeso. Yankopon so de ahye John Fonsa. Musi dabi yepe William. Somo spiritualist phobia akutwa nantwie baako 4 enwan baako 4 se omutwa baako me electoral commission sa batuo ya ye kwa akotui womuma any political party anybody extra ballot paper sadi panankasa onene ma ene daji womu etwa so montiye nanom ni na mu anam koko hu video no se ene nane nam social media no nam si adie ye hu wo mo twa bi dia ma Jubilee House for ne aban mu mpanifo wo mo twa bi e dia ma all political parties ano mo twa bi dia ma Ghana sofofo me ye mo hye me papa from 1992 a ye to aba me hu sa de bi da se nantwie you twa ni sei no mo so moja no mo dia kogu bosom no so ye twa odwane sei no mo so moja no me say ade ne hu wo de wote ho no bi ka se je paper na fakotum wo de fakotum wo do hu twa so a eyewa abushafo ene breaking news aba me pese a police for ete said me kan no I am reliably informed say police for apeke the intel and I know they are working on it. Why and then there okwachiche tuo edi man ni party supporters bi ewo kawokudi so mo fa nkonkoto hodom election day omube yusu breaking news no end of it Nyankopon enhira mu nyina a police for no be ho adwuma me say ye be ya de bi nipa da wo chiche tuo no man nkrofo da de tuo no be si de tirim peya no wa hu say boni obi opra ne boni no boni anu eden owu. Oh, if you want to post it, you can post it. I don't have a problem at all. Me Facebook, me monetize it, no. So I don't do Facebook for money, monetary gain. You person post to, you have the chance to post it. Me say why and the kwachiche true man, the party supporters and there, ewo kawokudi hodomo no, Accra guest area hodomo no. Why and the kwakwa yes sir. Nare, Mr. Police investigations are. Omo anga so omo apeke intern asem na make no munim. Mr. Grom ha yekura brono. Yekura brono. Me se epo bia mo bebo bia no. Me. Ye ba be ka kire me. Ngura mi no omo age adwuma the whole Ghana for MPP. Me say baby amubeshi aboko bia muwie ya I will get it. Prepare to help police for investigations. They don't hear them. What help am famra? Ye be body anchira mo matching bro. Your body no matching na mo hu se krom has e mo hye. Hi. Mon kanche na nabi. Say election day meba kumase. Wanya the boys in ready. What there all I need is say boys in any attempt to so. They cannot beat me. But when they make any attempt, me sin na be Accra, mia na me face no. Me fa boys in kono so. Me sorry na me ko ni fi akwa hwehwe no. Me te opie ya me stop no. Me bu na me Net2 afri Accra haze. Me say me bu na me Net2 afri Accra haze. Oh, yeah, operation at now, would I know him? And I'll be said, designer, the competition or home. And yet, designer, the go. What the young trouble you? Me was Bojebia. What gas over who say yes? Say, woke up of Prade said me. Oh, beb boys, and no mamma woman. Would I be? What about them?
There is 841 names here. Yeah?
841 names.
Wamudi ashe baby. Say some microphone. Want me almost police stations are less than say 50 or say then or more collapse. Ya dia keka bi hu. Jad figure bi say I don't know there. Want me ya more stations. Now so that day no. Womoba wombemo mwatwaba bia chomdi. Look, I can tell you for a fact MPP has sent notice to womo members of Boakye nyina to fill a form those who are willing to vote.
What?
Me na make atio kokoje they say monko passport office na monko hade. How they been able to do Ghana passport for people who mukrambo enyo maji so mukwaje Ghana passport.
Tino me announcement say obi a man for passport over.
Omo de ba yes. Hey, wow. Me say silence we. Kwa say inwiemu be beba. Eti uba kwa say yes oh na yantima fa de di ancha. We di baba ho so.
New register na register ni.
Na ko be 1 million people. Those people you could not put them on, they are not going to vote.
Fantastic.
Simple and clear. Me say yes say dem to godum. The next meeting that no Hinto is going to raise it. And this is for Monteki or other political parties.
Fantastic.
Take it upon yourself. Yen konko raise our issue no. What is Kofobi Abodua? Ewo election.
Achabi for mudi.
That achabi person na bikin. Bunu hodum bunu is Abodua. Yes in grandson ho baby.
Mabodua.
Wo mo twa nantwie baako 4. Ingran baako 4. Sinapo adaka de menim no dodo. Ye twa ba kwa ma yisi. Wo mo se yisi ni bia obeye kululu, obe change figure, wo de ballot paper bo mo obi so onkonko tintum. Wo mo de twa wo de ato. Now, Jubilee House, wo mo twa ba ko de amomo. Mo se says card ko mo obi, won konko yese ya, wo mo twa mamo. Police for the security services, wo mo twa ba kwa momo, ado mo twa ba kwa ma political parties. Tie, ne tie ni ye. Obi catch yourself kokoye basa don't go Agyapade document no 2,000 copies.
Wow.
Beche 1,000 ewakra.
Na de aka ne kwan.
Nam de 1,000 akwa Ashanti region. Me di baba station hanu mwa chama me.
Sa ha you fear.
Ebi so bia megina traffic mu. Na be che bankrofo. Ma kire mo munji na mo nkokan. In second year, would you study the forward of the document? Ready komu severally
content by
na fi analyze it na hwade be say Ghana, let us do Ghana good by making sure say MPP afra konya so, then we can curtail this Agyapade thing. Ghana for eya adom de tumi maya, we are going to investigate the Agyapade document.
And of course all the
Nkrofo a wo mo etro ye ni ade no, we can investigate and get them. Wo mo say wo mo de yakọ parliament, Agyapa royalties akọ parliament. Ghana ye mineral royalties nyina no, wo mo na ba bejeje no mo de ama Ghana. In the book they stated say they will intentionally undervalue the kind of saying royalties send your beya chunk of the ebeba or mankasa nchen. And true to the fact, we share a year your royalties na it is costing about $5 billion. Or more parliament or more the 1 billion and the coin. 1 billion or the coin no. Say a basse parliament jet to me ye sa 1 billion or musa which or mafa 4 billion and you know or musa chefa esa 1 billion. What kind of wickedness is this? And we sit down and allow it? No. Me say Ghana di bia wo hwem, Ghana di bia wo tie me. I am telling you say let us do Ghana good by making sure say MPP ewie na omubewe no as say eye record e wo man mu ha say
so mo wie mu odin
pa eye record so that politician bia wo benya opportunity bia no obedwina o man no ho well
bewe
e be bia e na me kasa asemu me say me 2016 I saw the defeat of NDC 2016
Seba
me catch Akufo Addo say look, you are going to win the elections. Actually, I will break my center. Tankasila you say
Tankasi, yeah.
Yes. I know mama me opportunity sa me nkasa. Baby a mijrana Akufo Addo ti mechipe. Ana me say abana ye beto no 7 December no. Se Akufo Addo biti Mahama less than 1 million voter. Esisi ehwehwem. Wo tie mu eh.
No. Ojam.
Etiye na me say ye pon rally no kra ye dru vie. I say na tia o tie mu no say wonje ni say. I go say what you so be winning. Na difference no e too much. And I'm say wait and see. Yet to abani we so me call do me say ka the rally. Asaba me ka no. E hwa do shake me say. I know say you are the man. Me say what I am seeing, the defeat of MPP in December 7th, it will be a record.
Ebi sida.
Wa muti yemposa lanchamanti wom. Kamahama be biti Bawumia more than 3 million votes.
Hey, Hopeson.
Mena make a chon. But ala na abamunti no. Asevu omusa di mugwase no. Na ye call run off. Na lanchamanti ebebe ye president of the republic we are. I don't know who say yes. Amamu papa be free by biba.
Mo benya MPs.
What say?
Benya MPs.
MPs don't know go parliament no. MPs in the good parliament no.
Yeah, more pre majority than minority.
That be yeah found independent president. When you majority than minority akwan. When ya offer those who want to be ministers under him come.
And of course all they are to just say 7 December to abani we are ubia ntu kwan.
Alan, we knew, Mahama, we knew, no government official would travel, may take over the airport.
Hopeson,
Mina make a job.
Obey the
They say may take over the airport. We just say we be took your bedjo passport, your bedjo passport reference.
Hopeson Adorye.
Mina make a job. Ah, yes, about the Diabo Guma. Now, you are 2 about you, and that's what you are. Oh, to oh, Quahi. Who bet na Kuma? I am handing over we. I'm here to talk. Government are searching. I'm here starting to show you. Ye clever, Ubituma to Quine. Yen clever, Ubwa.
To buy a passport.
More Kwaku Agyapong, British, yeah, Kwaku Town, will be able to Quine. And I just offer car across to Togo and I say, what do you have a position of all?
Oh, borders.
Men make a show. Yeah, bro. We are going to save this country.
You take you over, no.
We are going to save this country. Men make a show. Say, ya tuaba. We say president-elect. And John Allan Kojo Kyeremanteng. We say Batame bag me for
You say John.
Hey!
You never John.
Nobody president no. Hey John. Look. Fourth Republic. Yankopon dia majon fo. And ye kwaya so den e di party. The first president of the Fourth Republic. Hey John Jerry Lawrence. Anamiwa.
Pepe.
Second president. John Ajekumkufo. Third president, John Evans Atamas. Fourth president, John Dramani Mahama. Kwaku fifth president, you know. Kwaku William Akufo Addo. What we bre any or how any kwadanda babetezo. Someone
they are switching.
Enti sa election ya yekui. Ya wo John for mienu. Ba ku ye fourth John. Say ye pe fifth John amanaba. Etra we catch us ye call round of that. John allow Kojo Kyeremanteng beba. But big at it menu John and the winning these elections. One of them.
What percentage in the BSN?
What's saying?
So they also run off percentage in the question.
Me say a 0.1 crowd nipa na winning. What you say? But what will happen is MPP defeat ni there. Ish. Ebe you. Look, you see, those days, yeshia, no muki kaki kwa mubro funa, say adewe, ye ni say ya. Ubanso omuti ho amu say it makes sense. Ni a move, ni a ko. Omu ya me pesa me comment wa ho. Me pesa omu correct wa bu ho bibia ho. O jaje. E can make you show 1 2 3 a yibi omu ya enu de be mo chese omu defeat no ba be yekese.
Ba ye kanene.
Minka.
Ba wo.
Ye to abani wi a me kire omu de ntia omu awe. Because abana ko omu awe didawo. Me na me ka kire wo. Hwe sa cosmetic show no omu ye esesa nkofo ko gu ba bi eni ade. Hwe baby adipa di no na fe o ma sheda twi camera no mu ana. I mean, ni na ye cosmetic. Mo aka so dum sa de ne nye. Wonim. Hwe empanifo atitiri na we mu mo mata no. De do. Omse. Adino hu. Mo hayu. Mo hweda mo mabak.
Enu kwa so ni ala me kasai. Senko
omuntimi ni obia ni ho betimasi ala anim. Me na me ka kiro. Me kan no ha say ne. None of them. Da bi ko mu sure so mbeba anim na ala no betima go nanim. Bia beti ya bi no bia yi. Omu sure so mbeba manim. Na Alan ada obetima go nanim. Omuntimi aka 23 days. Afi na obekwa ala anim.
Free SHS na mo.
Dia.
Free SHS na mo.
You see, sa propaganda no. Ghana for obi anje. Omo ya advert bi protect free SHS. So vote dia ben. Omo dada mu. Look. Say obi ababa mu 8 years. Watima sisi mansions. By 7 8. 7 akatua ye tua no.
Yuji ahemo.
Say o save ni nyina no ka say onyi city crown fanto aduane ni ya 8 years ontimi si sa dan no ba kokora but watima si 8 nkanya boni na ohwe classroom nkwala go classroom secondary education na we me say mon protect no You also mon protecting.
Eno.
National capital.
Tema.
Enya me ma mi kro mpoviaje o. Ha? Enya poviaje o. Anda nya chiavi.
Greater Accra.
Regional, you can say national capital.
Araho.
Tema ene Accra ebom eye kro baako.
Araho.
Na school nkwala timu eni
science block.
Edunye. Edianum mumia fa ye ho adwene. Hwe mese se mekasa amanfo be ko jela. Eya na wo mu fi se me kan keke. These are some of the things that you hear. Na yenden se ye be make sure say amanfo ko jail.
Want to minor bro.
First, secondary school, aban make sure wo modua no mbedi wo munkonya ani ade ye decentralize no. E di say yetamase carpenter for whatever enya adwuma no mo ye nkonya e de ma omo.
Security amoko na ne papa ye carpenter wotia mass e wo aye na se for me.
That's right.
Security amon papa.
No wo ye nkonya ma school for no.
Nkonya ma school for.
You see?
Sino ni nkonya ye pa.
Eba wo mu nuane a ubonse temafo na pharmacy no
ne bezes
chese wo manya kwan eti headmaster any beza am making sure say ya to nuane from your local
for sheka na kofaba
na kwa kofaba aban wo yini nyina de about one point central point
chichim
na fi wona ye fu soja bra beje koko esopra wa ha na answer the be free soja class o me ono de nketinketi o akese be say there are certain things I na me pese me boso minister for mo ankasa formal shadow companies and the executive yi wo mu fi si eni afrafra be say am for be ko jail me mas more hint wo mo ankasa aform from companies that the graph to anu be say mo de munya botre boko hwe documents e kura ye no hu ogofo we mu e tira me ka say ye to abado mu lusu airport me say ye big training grofo
on the airport unim to come here ho
me say ka ye de that time we ye police de ne ka say bra wo de ye attempt
now Hopeson
yeah
you say the current survey you know moi na sama manfo ka form no ya de se ya bamubu kese ne kwa so na
yisi ni na kasa na adenti na ya bambu wo mo ya de papa ya beka
thank you
enti ade amoye olim meka yen movement for change
you say unhappy with latest surveys
mo be happy enti mo
institution kind of untrust
and trust the cry because your attitude look when your organization you are there to manage elections. How can you take that kind of decision say abana ye kwakotono you deal with political parties separate, you deal with independent candidates separate. Enya muni ebeka say semui people are going for elections, they are on the same ballot paper, we are going to vote for them on the same day, but when you are dealing with them you segregate them. What kind of you thinking no and someone say Ghana for can monkey can hear no who say yes Ghana for you happy with them.
My brother
him say ballot statistics no mo dia ba no I don't know say NDC for up taking notice of something. Mami ke say menya ballot statistics na okay yes we are going to expose you one by one. Once our money are done about total registered voters, those who are valid, those who are absent, those who are this, that. There is 841 names here. Yeah?
841 names.
Wamudi ashe baby. Say microphone. Wamanti me wamusi polling stations are less than say 50 or say then wamu collapse. Yadi akeka bihu. Wamwaja figure bi say eno no de. Wamanti me just ya more stations nanso so that day no omo ba ombe mo ato aba bi achomdi. Look, I can tell you for a fact MPP has sent notice to one members say what vote nyina to fill a form those who are willing to vote.
What?
Me na make atio kokoye they say monko passport office na monko here. How they been able to do Ghana passport for people who mukrambo and your magic so monko Ghana passport.
Tino me announcement say obi a man for passport over.
One more year one more dey buy, yes. Hey, me see me say silence we pass in we move beba.
Ti Asante region mo afan to mo betima protect ballot no.
What? You have no idea. Me ne ye ka de say.
Obi antumi ntumi enu me say.
Me say me ne Kofi Boakye Ahyia. Say Kofi Boakye is in charge of NDC there. I will be in charge of movement for change in Ashanti region.
Security.
When I make what don't go who besi hodum. Obuba who besi. Me oba me so na mo ye 20 me fesimu. Me fesimu. It is something more ye no. Look, make away all other political parties take notice. That is the avenue. Wa mo ba be ye sa de no. Wa mo say oh when me dia manti no, mo ma no nto na mo ntro. Wa mo be chegu country no mu. Wa ni be ba ho se na ni pa 500,000. A wa mo nya registered voters no ma be to aba no. Me patch the twema me na me nchira de. Explanations no 9 good. Share. Once a voter statistics in here. Registered voters on biometric register 18,600,000 so. Sa figures in now. Number 1 oba what's number 1? Voters on biometric register refers to voters who will be biometrically verified on election day. That is number 1. Number 2, special voters. What's special voters refers to voters who have special duties on election day, and for that reason are allowed by law to vote earlier than it is special voting. Security for the media for Number 3, voters without biometric data. Voters without biometric data refers to voters who registered by whose biometric data got corrupted for one reason or the other. They will be manually verified on election day. Watch them. Yanko number 4, total valid voters. Total number of valid voters for 2024 general election is 18,774,159. And what it is, A plus B plus C. And NMI
the number of absentee.
That's right. With biometric data, special voters, and then voters without biometric and no NMI is our total number. It's A plus B plus C, NMI, the total of 18,774,000. Now, number 9. Number 9 has a number of absent voters. But we share number 5, a total number of voters on exceptions list. Exception. What is exception here? Omanchere. We share number 6, number of voters on multiple list. Then number 7, total number of voters on proxy list. Now, over number 8, total number of transfer voters. But there is clear. But I did back one exception list. And multiple list. Number 9, the total number of absent lists should equal the sum of special voters plus transfer voters. Special voters, and then transfer voters. However, the number of polling stations were administratively closed, either because they did not meet the minimum voter threshold required for operations, or because local community requested the commission to close the polling stations for legitimate reasons. Voters from the closed stations were transferred to I'm Sabaku to as well. Baby, I'm 841.
And don't you summarize my
printing and come said the second paper 800 and something. And no exceptional list in it at the also baby. Absent and then the special voting in Kaukabumwa and Cassie said Bauka Webumwa now did that here. ye wo 800 and something e wo akyire
nini wiemu no
onu ne bebi omudi ba wiemu no
ba ye beto
they are saying say on that day so mu ba wo didn't register no mu wo kita the voter ID card ntinu ye be man ato no mo atru di ni dia to hey nobody is going to allow this.
Nobody
is going to allow it. Please cancel for these are some of the things you people should be doing. You're not just you hold not to hold. Eti ubakwa say oh na yantiman fa di ancha wadi baba ho
new register
na ko be 1 million people. Those people you could not put them on, they are not going to vote.
Fantastic.
Simple and clear. They say yes, said them to hold the next meeting that no Hinto is going to raise it. And this is for Monteki or other political parties. Fantastic. Take it upon yourself. Yan konko raise our issue no. What is Kofobi Abodua? Ewo election.
Achabi for mu di.
That achabi person na became. Bunu is Abodua. Yes, in Prancer ho baby.
Mabodua.
Wo mo twa nantwe baako 4. Ndwan baako 4. Sinapo adaka de menim no dodo. Ye twa baako ama yisi. Wo mo say yisi ni bia obeye kululu, obe change figure. Wo de ballot paper bo mo obi so nkonko tintum. Wo mo de twa wo de ato. Now Jubilee House omotwa baako de amomo muti says card koko mo bi won konko yese ya omotwa mamo police for the security services omotwa baako amomo ado omotwa baako ama political parties tie ne tie ni ye obi catch yourself koko ye basabasa don't go.
You're waiting for waiting and some year Hopeson Adorye adi tujwa wobo eye Wontumi na nabi mokoko awade chere say election de mo no ntuni na nsi kumase na se hene ha na nabi de o second osurumu abo be bono no enye asem ketwa eye Hopeson adi ensem dodo na ra ena tujwa meka ho say so wonya subscribe to channel area bomodi ase obe subscribe sanse hade latest and hot news enkwa era me de bremo afi we no like video like the video na fi share ma ofofro so na wonye bi hwe na ohu ensemo a ekoso ewo Ghana be mo hanom ozo betimi a che wadwen afaye ensem we nyira ho ewo comment box ni mo beti minka bio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.